Welcome to 3-Minute Money, the YouTube channel, where we explore all things finance and money. Today, we're talking about setting and achieving financial goals. Why is setting financial goals important? Well, without goals, it's easy to let our spending and saving habits drift aimlessly, which can make it harder to achieve the things we want in life. By setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, aka SMART goals, we can give ourselves direction and motivation to make progress towards our financial dreams. So, how do you set SMART financial goals? Here are a few tips. Number 1. Start with your why. What are your long-term financial goals? Do you want to retire early, buy a home, pay off debt, or save for a big vacation? Write down your big picture goals and then break them down into smaller, more manageable milestones. Number 2. Be specific. When setting financial goals, it's important to be as specific as possible. Instead of saying, I want to save more money, try setting a specific savings goal, such as I want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house within the next 2 years. Number 3, make it measurable. How will you track your progress toward your goals? Set specific milestones and deadlines and regularly check in on your progress to stay on track. Number 4, keep it achievable. While it's important to challenge yourself, it's also important to set goals that are realistic and achievable. If you set goals that are too lofty or unrealistic, you may become discouraged and give up. Number 5, make it relevant. Ensure that your financial goals are aligned with your overall life goals and values. For example, if you value travel and adventure, make sure to include a savings goal for travel in your financial plan. Number 6, time-bound. Set a deadline for achieving your goals. This helps to create a sense of urgency and motivates you to take action. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to setting SMART financial goals that will help you achieve your dream. Remember, setting financial goals is just the first step. The next step is taking action to make those goals a reality. Make a plan, track your progress, and adjust your strategy as needed. With persistence and dedication, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Thanks for tuning in to 3-Minute Money. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance and money tips. See you next time.